Welcome. We're diving into how to run Llama 3 for a completely private, offline AI coding assistant right in your VS Code. If you're still relying on cloud AI for your coding assistant, you're compromising on performance, privacy, and honestly, probably paying too much. We rely heavily on cloud AI, but what about when your internet drops? Or when sensitive code data leaves your machine? These risks are real. The game changer is Ollama. This powerful open source tool allows you to run large language models locally, securely, and privately. Ollama instantly turns your personal machine into a secure, personal AI powerhouse. You're falling behind if you're not using this unfair advantage. Let's start the setup. First, head to ollama.com to download and install the appropriate version for your operating system. The installation is quick and straightforward. Once finished, open your terminal to prepare for the next step. Next, we'll download the Llama 3 model directly to your machine for offline use. In your terminal, simply type Ollama run Llama 3. Ollama will handle the download automatically. Once downloaded, you can test it right away. Ask Llama 3 a coding question directly in your terminal to see it in action. Now for the real power, integrating this local AI into your favorite IDE, VS Code. Open VS Code now. Search the marketplace for Code GPT or Continue. I recommend Code GPT for its seamless integration with Ollama. Install it. With Code GPT installed, we need to point it to your local Ollama setup. Go to the Code GPT settings. Select Ollama as your provider, and choose Llama 3 as the model. You may also need to specify the local host URL http://localhost:114034. That's it. Open any code file to begin leveraging this private coding assistant. Highlight a function and ask Code GPT to refactor it, explain it, or generate a test case. The results are instant. Watch it work instantly, without an internet connection. Crucially, your code never leaves your machine. This is your personal private assistant. This is about unparalleled privacy, speed, and customization. Own your AI tools and secure your intellectual property. Integrate AI so deeply into your workflow, it becomes an extension of your thought process. This is the competitive edge in today's rapid development landscape. If this unlocked a new level of productivity for you, hit that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments which local models you're excited to try with Ollama. Go install Ollama and Llama 3 today.